Welcome back, everybody. We're here at the drill press where we're going to drill the holes in the acrylic sheets that will make up the test section. So this is a 1/8 inch drill bit, and drill through both of these acrylic sheets, and then we'll be able to throw a 1/8 inch rod through, and the airfoil will be mounted to that. So then we can change the angle of attack from the outside. So let's get to drilling. All right, here we go. Alright, so we're back. I've got some of the acrylic cement in the applicator bottle here. And now we'll go ahead and run it into the crack between these two pieces of acrylic and weld them or glue them together. Alright, I think that's all it needs. So now we'll just let that set up for a bit. Okay, just finished up the last few glue joints, and now it's drying, so I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like when it's all set up and done. Alright, welcome back, everybody. I've got all the wind tunnel components connected now, and happy to say that wind tunnel is finished. I'll do a quick walk around here. Here's the diffuser and the working and test sections, of course. Here's that plexiglass test section I was working on in a previous clip. And then, of course, we've got the flow straightener at the forward end. So yeah, in the next few clips, I'm going to show you the airfoil sections that have just completed 3D printing. And then in a future video, I'm going to get to more on how I will be collecting that lift data, as well as how I'll be mounting the airfoils inside the test section. And I'll explain a bit of the challenges that I faced and the new plan that I've developed. I'll show you the airfoil sections now. The first is the USA 35 Bravo standard. No changes made. Here's the airfoil side profile, and the wingspan is 7 inches and the chord is 4 inches. Then from that, I developed the next iteration, which has a 10-degree trailing edge flap. Same dimensions. And the third iteration has a leading edge cuff, as you can see here. Again, same dimensions. And then the final test will be the high lift configuration, which has that leading edge cuff and the 10-degree trailing edge flap. Again, same dimensions. So here are all the airfoil sections together now. And that's what I'll get into in the next video, is testing all 4 of these.